This guide will explain to you how our wireless network works and how to use the USB coordinator to create your own network. You may take a look at the description below to skip to the section you wish to learn. There are many wireless standards. Most common would be Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Our ecosystem adapted a global approved wireless standard that is specifically designed for building control, called Zigbee. Each premise may set its own SwitchMap network. Our devices will automatically detect and locate the most suitable wireless channels to avoid any interferences by other wireless devices or another SwitchMap network. Multiple networks can exist within one premise. This standard is a self-configuring and self-healing wireless mesh network, which means it automatically maintains and ensures the stability of your network without you worrying. With mesh network capability, each of our devices can extend the wireless reach and avoid building materials that may block wireless signals. For example, air ducts and metal ceilings greatly reduces wireless strength. Adding additional devices, our system will automatically configure around or through it. If a device is removed at any time, the network will automatically detect and recover, as long as it is in reach with other devices. To form a network is very easy. Use a coordinator device to detect the premises wireless status. It will locate the most suitable wireless channels to set your network in. To do this, power the USB coordinator at the premise, preferably at a location with the busiest wireless signals, like near your internet routers. When ready, use a pin and hold the network button to begin setting your own network. Some devices have coordinator versions. Once powered, if it begins to flash, it means it automatically begins to set network. If not, then hold the network button to start. Once the light stops flashing and stays on, it means the network is established. If it fails, the lights will turn off and you may try again. Once the coordinator device established the network, you will be able to add new devices to it. Pairing and setups with other devices will be possible after it is joined. To release the network and allow new devices to join, you may press the network button once. The network lights will begin to flash. From new devices, hold the network button. It will begin to flash and wait until confirmation. Joining network requires heavy wireless communications. It may not succeed. You may try again if failed. Your network will only be released for a set amount of time. Once it stops flashing, the network will be locked until you release it again. We recommend to keep the coordinator to be powered and connected to the network at all time. Ensure it is connected when adding new devices. There can only be one coordinator per network. It is not replaceable. If by rare chance you feel your device is not operating normally, you may unplug and plug again to restart and rejoin network. If you wish to restart to clear all data and restore to factory settings, you will need to hold the network button, then power the USB coordinator while holding the network button. All lights on the device will flash, indicating the device is reset. This is the end of the instruction guide. Thank you for watching.